Introducing Fusion FX, the smallest, lightest, best balanced gun ever built. Graco's new Fusion FX gun is redesigned from the ground up. Every feature specifically thought out to create the easiest to maintain and most comfortable gun on the market. Over 30% lighter than the Fusion PC gun, and over 9 times better balanced in your hand. Maximize your productivity with less pressure drop through the gun and more output through the mix chambers. And easily spray in tight spots with the new narrow front-end design. Change the way you spray with the new rapid swap chamber design. Quickly change your mix chamber size in seconds to best match your spray application. In addition, keep a consistent and perfect pattern with the ability to easily maintain your impingement ports. The FX cartridge is simple to remove and includes Graco's ProConnect technology, which provides a perfect rebuild in seconds. The new DuoFlow valving eliminates side seals to provide precision control in mixing. No side seals mean no wear on the mix chamber, providing longer mix chamber life. Quickly and easily, change between spraying as a clear shot or air purge gun with the new Quick Flex technology by simply swapping the air piston. The new lightweight aluminum hose manifold includes tool-less fluid valves and the ability to easily maintain the gun filters without disassembling the gun. You'll spray longer and with less fatigue with the new hand strap, redesigned gun trigger that provides over 30% shorter trigger pull, and the new ergonomically designed gun handle, which is comfortable to hold, solvent-resistant, and provides superior strength. The biggest breakthrough in spray foam and polyurea gun technology. Fusion FX is designed and created with the contractor in mind, delivers the highest quality results, and is the smallest, lightest, and best balanced gun ever built.